Welcome. It's summer in Europe. Welcome to another episode of the Ill One Shot Watch Not Radio. Just a quick one. I'm inspired by the weather. Let's have a look at the summer trilogy of watches. Let's go. Here we go. What can you see? You see an Omega Seamaster GMT, an Explorer 2, a Breitling Navitimer Chronomatic, Omega year 2006, Explorer 2, 2019, and a Breitling same year as this Rocket Ice Cream 1969. Rocket Klasse. Okay, so let's have a look. Here I have this kind of watch roll from Carapaz. I highly recommend this one. It's really nice. You have this presentation stand, and yeah, I really recommend it. So here what I have is a Tropic wrist strap, really nice vulcanized rubber from Borealis. This one I leave. Oh, look at these orange accents. I think it really still is really nice with the bracelet. And on the Breitling I have a ripped NATO strap from Miros Time. That's one of my favorite NATO strap supplier. You can have, of course, something like that as well. This is from CNS watch bands. This one is called the dirty orange color. It's also nice. Then of course you can go for something like that. This was originally the same color like this one, but I was just using a bit of dyeing powder to turn down to more kind of also kind of dirty orange. Similarly to this one, it's also a bit turned down because it's a much brighter orange, so I use the same kind of just slightly dyeing powder. You can use it when you use it for dyeing clothes and something like that. Just put it in a in a pot and cook it at 60 degrees centigrade for a couple of minutes. You need to test that one, but yeah. So, summer can come. Woo! Bye.